7 Amazing Apple Cider Vinegar Before Bed Benefits You Didn't Know. Apple cider vinegar, ACV for short, is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It has a cloudy appearance due to sediment from the fermentation process and a distinctive sweet and sour flavor. ACV is sometimes touted as a healthy nighttime drink, but is it really beneficial? Let's delve into the research to find out. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications. And after the video, we'll provide more health-related videos for you to explore. Potential benefits of apple cider vinegar before bed. 1. Improves digestion. Apple cider vinegar is naturally rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health. According to a study published in the Journal of Functional Foods, these probiotics can help you combat harmful bacteria in your digestive system and encourage the growth of good bacteria. This can lead to improved digestion and a reduction in symptoms like bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. 2. Helps control blood pressure. High blood pressure is a common problem that can lead to serious health issues. A 2018 study, published in the Journal of Nutrition, found that consuming apple cider vinegar may help lower blood pressure. The participants in the study who took apple cider vinegar supplements had a significant decrease in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. 3. May aid weight loss. If you're looking to lose weight, apple cider vinegar might be a helpful addition to your diet. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that participants who consumed apple cider vinegar before meals lost more weight than those who did not. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may help you feel full and reduce your appetite, leading to reduced calorie intake and weight loss. 4. Enhances the flavor of your meals. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile ingredient that can be used to add flavor to a variety of dishes. Using it as a salad dressing or marinade can help you reduce your intake of sugary and fatty dressings, which can be high in calories. By incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet, you can enjoy a tasty and nutritious meal without the extra calories. 5. May reduce the risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death in the United States. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming apple cider vinegar regularly may help reduce the risk of heart disease. The participants who consumed apple cider vinegar had lower levels of triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, which are risk factors for heart disease. 6. May help manage diabetes. People with diabetes have difficulty regulating their blood sugar levels. A study published in the International Journal of Environmental Research and Public Health found that consuming apple cider vinegar may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. This can help people with diabetes manage their condition more effectively. 7. Rich in nutrients. Apple cider vinegar is a good source of several essential nutrients, including potassium, which is important for maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. It also contains small amounts of other nutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. While apple cider vinegar offers several potential health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Consuming large amounts of apple cider vinegar can lead to tooth decay and may cause stomach pain and diarrhea. Additionally, apple cider vinegar should not be used as a substitute for prescribed medications. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content about health, wellness, and more. And be sure to visit our website for additional resources and information on apple cider vinegar and its potential health benefits. Thank you for watching.